Hi students, welcome back to my channel. So students, today we will understand about human anatomy. So let's start today's topic. Human anatomy is the scientific study of form and shapes of human beings. The skeleton also protects several vital organs such as the heart, lungs, and the liver. Bones are attached to other bones through ligaments or fibrous connective tissues. Joints are the points at which two or more bones meet. They enable a range of movements like rotation, abduction, adduction, protraction, retraction, and more. Based on flexibility and mobility, joints can be further classified into movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints are flexible, while immovable joints, also called fixed joints, are non flexible since the bones are fused. Muscles. Muscles are specialized tissues which assist the bones in locomotion. Muscles are attached to the bones through tendons. Movement of limbs happens due to the contractions and relaxations of the corresponding muscles present in that region. Joints help in the flexibility of bones, but a bone cannot be bent or stretched until a muscle acts on it. In other words, the muscle attached to that bone pulls it to the direction of movement. Furthermore, most movement involves muscles that work as a pair. For example, when we bend our arm, muscles in that region contract, become shorter and stiffer, and pull the bones to the direction of movement. For relaxation, stretching, muscles in the opposite direction have to pull the bones towards it. A list of human body parts. Human body parts comprise a head, neck, and four limbs that are connected to a torso. Giving the body its shape is the skeleton, which is composed of cartilage and bone. Human body internal parts such as the lungs, heart, and brain are enclosed with the skeletal system and are housed within the different internal body cavities. The spinal cord connects the brain with the rest of the body. Human body structure. There are different cavities in the human body that house various organ systems. Number one is cranial activity in the is the space within the skull. It protects the brain and other parts of the central nervous system. Number two, the lungs are protected in the pleural cavity. Number three is the abdominal cavity houses the intestine, liver, and spleen. Humans are evolved separately from other animals, but since we share a distinct common ancestor, we mostly have a body plan that is similar to other organisms, but with just muscles and bones in different proportions. For example, we might assume giraffes have more vertebrae in its neck and humans. No, despite being incredibly tall, giraffes have the same number of vertebrae. For example, they also have seven vertebrae in their neck. One of the most prominent characteristic feature is the ability to use our hands, especially for tasks that require dexterity, such as writing, opening a bottle of water, opening a doorknob, etc. So this is the result of humans having ancestors that began walking on their hind limbs rather than using all four limbs. Most of our anatomical insights was gained through the dissection of corpses, cadavers, and for a long time it was the only way we could gain anatomical knowledge about the human body. It was a rather grotesque affair, but it made up the bulk of medical literature for centuries. These days, technological innovation has made it possible to explore human anatomy at a microscopic level. So students, I hope you have understood this topic very well. So see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.